This is an L sit. Woo! I can only do a few seconds there, but if you can do longer, rock and roll. What you're trying to really find, though, is that your shoulders are back and down, your spine's as long as you can keep it. You're probably going to have a little bit of a rounding going on, but spine as long as you can keep it. And then legs are out straight, held in front of you with everything off the ground. This is very difficult. This is not an easy exercise, but you're trying to have those points of form in check. If your hands are a little too short like mine, and you just, no matter how good a form you have, they're too short, I can't get my butt off the ground, then like me, you can use either some yoga blocks, or you can use some dumbbells right here and prop up with those, or a stack of books, as long as the books are the same height on both sides. Whatever you want to utilize to help give you those, work that strength there to get yourself up off the ground. But the key is that your butt, your heels, everything's off the ground except for your hands. So make sure you're checking in with your torso, your shoulders, your head. Everything's in check there as well. So head, spine up straight and tall. Before I even lift, my shoulders are squeezing back and down. My chest is up and lifted out there. I'm going to try to maintain that form as I then pick my butt and my heels up off the ground, out straight, hold steady, and back down. You'll notice that as soon as I came up, I had to shift back up a little bit. My hands ended up kind of going a little bit forward, and there's a little bit more rounding in my spine. That's just physics. For me to find that point of balance with my legs out there, I end up having to find that point there, and that is going to inevitably round your back a little bit. So this is not an exercise you want to do if you've got any back issues, or if you are even doing it, make sure you're countering it with some good, nice cobra stretches or other exercises that are going to help get your spine going the other way as well. But if you live at a desk, it might not be the best exercise to do every day all the time, but something fun to work up to if that's your goal. Hands slightly forward, pressing up. Whoop! Tough to balance, but the more you do, slowly build up more and more time holding your L sit. Shoulders back. Toughie.